Here in this question it is given that ABCD is a rectangle and PQRS are the midpoints of these sides, and we need to prove that PQRS is a rhombus. So for this what we will do, first of all we will prove this PQRS as a parallelogram. So we will use here midpoint theorem, because in triangle ADC this S is the midpoint of AD and R is the midpoint of DC. So by midpoint theorem this SR will be parallel to AC and half of AC. Similarly in triangle ABC, PQ are the midpoints, so PQ is half of AC and PQ is parallel to AC. So according to this PQRS will be a parallelogram, because one pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. So this will be a parallelogram. So this is the solution for up to parallelogram of this PQRS. In triangle ADC, S and R are the midpoints. So by midpoint theorem, SR is half of SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. In triangle ABC, P and Q are the midpoints. So PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is half of AC. So if you see equation 1 and 2, SR is parallel to SR and PQ are parallel to same side, and SR and PQ are half of same side. So it means these both are equal and parallel to each other. So therefore according to this condition this PQRS is a parallelogram. So from this both equations 1 and 2, this PQRS is a parallelogram. Next we need to prove that this parallelogram is a rhombus. To prove this parallelogram as a rhombus, what we will do, we will take these two triangles SAP and triangle QBP. Here in these two triangles AP equals to BP, because P is the midpoint of both the sides. This AS equals to BQ, because AD and BC are equal and AS and BQ are the half of equal sides, so these will also be equal. And angle A equals to angle B, this will be 90 degree, because angles of rectangle. So by side angle side congruency these both triangles are congruent. So according to that SP and PQ will be equal to each other. And now if in a parallelogram two adjacent sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. So this way we will prove this also, that this is a rhombus. So now step of solutions are, so now in triangle SAP and QBP, AP equal to PB because P is the midpoint, AS equals to BQ because these are half of equal sides, angle A equals to angle B, both are 90 degree. So these both triangles are congruent by side angle side congruency. So according to this SP and PQ are equal, because SP and PQ are the adjacent sides of this parallelogram PQRS. So therefore this PQRS is a rhombus, because in a parallelogram if one pair of adjacent side is equal, then this parallelogram is a rhombus.